Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Prove the following 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 11th questions. Understand? Okay, first question number 6. Show that cos of pi by 4 minus x into cos of pi by 4 minus y minus sin of pi by 4 minus x into sin of pi by 4 minus y equal to sin of x plus y. So this is LHS or HS. So question number 6. LHS is equal to left hand side, that is equal to given question is cos of pi by 4 minus x into cos of pi by 4 minus y minus sin of same pi by 4 minus x into sin of pi by 4 minus y. Actually, pi by 4 minus x, it is the same value. This is capital A. Where is pi by 4 minus x? Again, it is repeated. So, A. Pi by 4 minus y, B. Pi by 4 minus y, say B. So, therefore, it is in the form of cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. So, cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. It is formula for which? Cos of A plus B. This is from compound angles. This problem is from compound angles. So, that is equal to, according to this formula, cos of A is what? Pi by 4 minus x, later plus B, pi by 4 minus y. So, that equal to cos of 45 degrees, total 90 degrees. Here minus x minus y, minus common, let it be minus of x plus y. So, it is in the form of cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta equal to plus sin theta. Already I said about the quadrants or all silver take curves. Let it be theta. So that is equal to sin of x plus y. Okay, this is RHS, right hand side. So therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side over. Next, 6th one over. Next, 7th one. Here, question number 7. Again, LHS, left hand side is what? Tan of pi by 4 plus x divided by tan of pi by 4 minus x. So, simplification. Actually, it is a tan of A plus B formula. So, what is tan of A plus B formula? Tell me. Tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B. Tell me. Tan of basic formula. Tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay. Next, another formula. Tan of A minus B. Tan of A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Just like that. So these are the basic formulae. Here in numerator we are using this formula. So tan A, shall I write directly? Tan 45 degrees equal to 1. So therefore tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B over, this is numerator. Similarly, A minus B formula means capital A is pi by 4, capital B is x. just like that. So it is tan A means tan 45 degrees 1 minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. So that is equal to 1 plus tan X divided by 1 minus tan X divided by, again another fraction means into reverse reciprocal, 1 plus this numerator 1 plus tan X divided by 1 minus tan X. So that is equal to 1 plus tan X, 1 plus tan X, x into x, x square. So therefore 1 plus tan X whole square whole divided by 1 minus tan X whole square. So this is nothing but a square by b square. Actually a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n is equal to a by b whole to the power of n. We can write like that. So therefore it is 1 plus tan X divided by 1 minus tan X whole square. Right. Next question. Next question. Next question. You come here. Eighth question. LHS is equal to question number 8. Is it visible? So left hand side is equal to cos of pi plus x into cos of minus x divided by sin of pi minus x into cos of pi by 2 plus x. You come here. Actually question number 6 it is from compound angles. Question number 7 it is also from compound angles. This one is trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios are functions. This question is from this topic, means it is purely related to quadrants. Okay, I wish to recall once again, don't worry about that. So that is equal to you come here. First listen, rough work. You come here. Cos of, is it visible? Cos of it is what? Pi means 180 degrees plus x. First we have to write this value. 1 minute. Already I said how to find. Actually 48 formulae are there. I said 48 formulae related to quadrants, all silver T cups and sines, just like that. Okay. First point, you decide or determine it is related to which quadrant. It is in the form of 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta belongs to which quadrant? Tell me first. Third quadrant. Okay. Third quadrant. In third quadrant means this is the third quadrant. Understand? In third quadrant, only tan and cot are positive. Only. Remaining means sin is negative in third quadrant. Cos is negative in third quadrant. Secant is negative in third quadrant. Cosecant is negative in third quadrant. Only tan theta and cot theta are positive in third quadrant. Right. It is it tan? No. Is it cot? No. It It is cos. So therefore it is minus negative. Right. Another point. What I said, for 180 degrees, 360 degrees, same to same. Don't change the angles. For 90 degrees and 270 degrees, just take sine changing as cos, cos changing as sine, tan changing as cot, cot changing as tan, secant is changing as cosecant, cosecant is changing as secant, just like that. Understand? So, therefore, 180 same to same, cos, it is also cos, angle same, x. Thus, cos of 180 plus x is equal to minus cos x. You will have to take more practice on such kind of values. Remember, understand. Otherwise, it is not possible to write that formula. Remember. Next. Okay. What is its value? Tell me. What is its value? Minus cos x. Minus cos x into cos of minus theta is cos theta. Cos theta. Next. Divided by, you come here. Sine of 180 degrees minus x is what? First point, quadrant. 180 minus x lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Am I right? Yes. Second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine positive or negative? Positive. How? Sine theta, cosecant theta are only positive. Only positive. In second quadrant, sine is positive. In second quadrant, cos is negative. In second quadrant, tan is negative. In second quadrant, secant is negative. In second quadrant, cosecant is positive. Only sine and cosecant are positive. Remaining rest are negative. It is what? Is it tan? Is it cot? Is it secant? Is it cosecant? No, it is sine. So sine, it is positive plus. Next, what I said, for 180, 360, same to same. Sine is there, same, no change. Right. Theta is x. Right. Thus, we are writing this value as sine x into this one. Cos of 90 plus x, you come here. Cos of 90 degrees plus x. Cos of 90 degrees plus x. Understand? You come here. Okay. 90 plus theta. It is which quadrant? Second quadrant. It is second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative, minus. Next. 90 and 270 is there. Changing like that. Sine to cos, cos to sine. Cos is there. So it is sine. Cos changing as sine. For this quadrant, minus same x. Same to same. Minus sin x. So therefore, its value is minus sin x. Minus sin x. So minus minus cancel. Cos into cos. Cos square x. Cos square x divided by sin square x. Sin square x. So it can be cos x divided by sin x whole square. Of course it is cot x. Cot x whole square. It is nothing but cot square, angle is different, x over. This question is over. So next you come here. Ninth question. Question number 9. Question number 9. Left hand side LHS is equal to cos of same it is about quadrants 3 pi by 2 plus x into 3 pi by 2 means 270 into cos of 2 pi plus x into cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot of 2 pi plus x. This is left hand side. Okay, you come here. First, cos of this value, rough work. Cos of 3 pi by 2 means 270 degrees plus x equal to what? First step is what? Determine the quadrant. Next step, sine. So, 270 plus theta, it is pertaining to which quadrant? Related to which quadrant? Belongs to which quadrant? Tell me. Fourth quadrant. So, it is in fourth quadrant. Okay. In fourth quadrant, which functions or which ratios are positive? Tell me. Due to all silver tea cups. First letter C means cos theta. It's reciprocal secant theta. Understand? Sine, cos, they are not reciprocals. Sine, cosecant, reciprocals. Tan, cotan, cot, reciprocals. Understand? Cos, secant, reciprocals. So, cos theta and secant theta are only positive. Okay. So, fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive, right? Next, 270. You come here. 270 change means cos changing as sine x. Okay, keep it up. Next, this one, second one, cos of 2 pi means what? 360 degrees plus x, that is equal to actually it is I can write directly it is the formula that is equal to sin x, but I wish to explain once again, so I can explain more times, but you by heart practice until getting perfectness. Understand? This is the very important. Okay, cos of 360 plus theta. Again, 360 plus theta, it goes to first quadrant, means this one, first quadrant. Did you catch it? Out of these 2-3 questions, all the quadrants are repeated. So, he has given within 2 or 3 problems the application of all silver teacups, means quadrants. That's why these problems are very important. Remember. So, first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive plus, right? 360. So, same to same. It can be cos x, right? Next, this one, cot of 3 pi by 2 means 90 degrees. 270. 90 into 3, 270. Shall I write directly? No need to write 3 into 90. 90 degrees into 3. No need. I can write directly. 270. It is 270. It is 270 degrees minus x. Okay. 270 degrees minus theta. It is in which quadrant? Tell me. 270 minus third quadrant. In third quadrant, only tan cot are positive. Cot, it is positive. Okay, it is third quadrant. Right, 270 changed. Cot changed as tan. And the same, tan x. Okay, it is over. Next, this one. Cot of, it is what? 360 degrees plus x, that is equal to 360 plus first quadrant, just like that. So in first quadrant all are positive, 360 no change. same cot x. So now we are substituting these values. So that is equal to cot of 270. 270 plus x. Where is that? 270 plus x plus sin x. It is sin x into this one. Cos of 360 plus cos x into cos x into this one is what? Tan x. Next cot x. Tan x plus cot x. So remember, this form is very, very important. It will be repeated in future. Understand? Okay. Very oftenly it is coming. This step is coming. Understand? In other questions. Okay. That is equal to. It is sin x into cos x into tan means sin x divided by cos x plus cot means cos x divided by sin x, that is equal to sin x into cos x into LCM, like that. So sin into sin, sin square x plus cos into cos, cos square x whole divided by sin x into cos x. So sin x into cos x cancelled. It means only sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. So that is equal to right hand side. Therefore, left hand side LHS equal to RHS. Right. Next, that one, 11th question. 11th question. 11th question. Question number 11. Left hand side is equal to, what is that? Cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x. Okay, so that is equal to, you come here. Suppose it is capital A. So same angle capital A. X B. It is in the form of cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. What is its formula? Already I said minus 2 sin A sin B. Okay? Right. So therefore, according to formula, minus 2 sin A sin B. So that is equal to minus 2 into rough work sin of 3 pi by 4 can be sin of pi minus pi by 4. We can write like that. How? You can verify it. 4 into pi, 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi divided by 4. Okay. Now it is in the form of sin of 180 minus theta. Sin of 180 minus theta means sin theta. Sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 value how much? 1 by root 2. So therefore its value is 1 by root 2 into sin x. Okay. So that is equal to minus, this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. 1 by root 2 sin x. Observe, this 2 is equal to, this 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2. Thus, 1 root 2 cancelled. It means minus root 2 sin x, that is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. Right. Hence the problem. Prove the following. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. Okay, I will write the first formula. Actually, it is in the form of sin square A minus sin square B. So formula sin square A minus sin square B is equal to, it is sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Okay. Next, for the second also, cos square A minus cos square B. Actually, there is no formula for cos square A minus cos square B. Remember. So, cos square A minus cos square B. First, we have to express this cos square in terms of sin square. So, it is 1 minus sin square A minus, bracket begin, cos square B means 1 minus sin square B. So on opening, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So on simplification, we are getting sin square B minus 2 minus plus sin square A, like that. So these are the formulae. So question number 12. Question number 12. LHS left hand side is equal to, it is sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. Let it be capital A, this is capital B. Formula sin of A plus B into, you can write the formula here also, no objection, or you can take the direct step. A plus B means 6 plus 4, 10, 10x into sin of 6 minus 4, 2x. So we got it. So that is equal to right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Next, number 13. So left hand side is equal to cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. So this can be written as in terms of sin squares. Actually this is capital A, this is capital B. We are writing sin square B minus sin square A, just like that. Sin square B minus sin square A. B is what? 6x. A is what? 2x. Okay? Right. Next. It is in the form of, again, sin square A minus sin square B. Sin square A minus sin square B is sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. That is equal to sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. That is equal to sin 8x sin 4x. That is equal to RHS. That is equal to LHS is equal to RHS. Right. 13 over. Next 22. Observe that cot. Right. And x, 2x, 3x. So therefore, that's why they are considering cot 3x. Cot 3x equal to cot of x plus 2x. Now, from this equation, we are getting all the terms x, 2x, 3x. That's why our consideration should be cot 3x. And thus it is cot of x plus 2x. Later, we can use cot of a plus b, or we can apply cot of a plus b formula. So therefore, cot 3x equal to cot of a plus b. Already I said in cot formula, first write the denominator as cot b plus cot a. Cot b. Okay, I will write the formula cot of a plus b. Cot of a plus b is equal to first denominator cot b plus cot a, numerator product cot b into cot a is opposite sign minus 1, just like that. This is cot formula. According to that, cot b means cot 2x plus cot x. Next product cot 2x into cot x minus 1. So cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, we are obtaining cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot x, that is equal to cot 2x into cot x minus 1. So that implies multiplication cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot 3x into cot x is equal to cot 2x into cot x minus 1. You see, cot x, cot 2x. So that implies cot 2x. Okay, that is implying, first write this one. Understand? Cot. So cot x, cot 2x minus it is 1, that is equal to, take this minus 1 here. Next cot 2x into cot x, same in RHS side. Next it will become minus on that side. Cot 3x into cot 2x. Next get it on the other hand, minus cot 3x into cot x. So therefore, clearly cot x into cot 2x, okay, minus cot 2x, cot 3x, okay, minus cot 3x, cot x, that is equal to 1. So therefore, LHS equal to RHS in this question. Next, 23. 23. So it is also related to compound angles. Understand? Compound angle. It is also related to compound angle. Compound angles. Second topic in trigonometry. First topic, trigonometric ratios. Second topic, compound angles. Third, multiple angles, submultiple angles. Fourth, transformations. Fifth, trigonometric equations or functions, solutions. Right. So, 23. Question number 23. Let us consider LHS. LHS equal to tan 4x. We don't have tan 4x formula. We have only tan 2x formula. So therefore, that's why let us express as 2 into 2x, like that. Okay, let it be 2x is theta. Then tell me tan 2 theta formula. Tell me, you tell me tan 2 theta formula or tan 2a. That is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta. So that is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. Next, again we have tan 2x. Same formula. Tan 2x equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So that is equal to 2 into bracket begin. This one tan 2x, 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole divided by 1 minus, actually what does it mean tan square? Tan square theta means that tan theta whole square. It is the correct meaning. So therefore, it is tan 2x whole square, just like that. Understand? Next step. So that's why whole square keep the same. Tan 2x, 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Right. So therefore, it is 2 into 2, 4. 4 tan x, 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x divided by LCM. 1 minus, actually, listen, 1 minus, this is what? A by B whole square. A square means 4 tan square divided by 1 minus tan square. 1 minus tan square, it's a whole square. So, it is what? On LCM, it is 1 minus tan square whole square minus 4 tan square divided by 1 minus tan square whole square. Okay? So, 1 minus tan square whole square minus 4 tan square whole divided by 1 minus tan square whole square. So that is equal to 4 tan x divided by, means I can write like that, divided by this one, 1 minus tan square x into reciprocal, 1 minus tan square x whole square whole divided by this one, 1 minus tan square x whole square x minus 4 tan square x. To save the time, I wrote just capital T. Capital T stands for here tan x. So that is equal to, it is something x, it is x square. So therefore, 1x cancels just like that. So therefore, numerator 2 tan x, 2 tan x, I mean 2 means 2 into 2, 4. 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x whole divided by, so a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square, already square is there, it is 4xb square minus 2ab tan square x minus 4 tan square x. So that is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x whole divided by it is a 1. Okay. Next is what? Tan to the power of 4, tan to the power of 4x. Next, minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 tan square x. So this is right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. That's the problem. Next step. Question number 24. Actually, cos 2 theta formula, 3 formula are there for cos 2 theta. That is the specialty of cos. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta, one formula. Means it is in terms of cos and sin. Another 2 cos square theta minus 1. It is in terms of cos alone. Next 1 minus 2 sin square theta. It is in terms of sin alone. So what kind of, out of 3, what kind of formula should be used? We don't know. It is something confusion. That's why I am going through RHS. Understand? So it is easy. So therefore, question number 24. Question number 24. First, let us consider RHS side. RHS equal to, sometimes for easy showing, we are taking RHS to LHS. So therefore, actually in trigonometry, to prove LHS is equal to RHS, we can go through LHS and we can show it RHS. Means LHS equal to RHS, or we can start with the RHS and it can be shown as LHS. Thus LHS is equal to RHS. Another method, find separate value of LHS and separate value of RHS. If both values are same, then we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. This is the way of proving the given statements in trigonometry. Remember. So that is equal to 1 minus did you remember that sin 2 theta is equal to sin theta cos theta? Tell me once again. Sin, you come here. I will write the standard formula here. Sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta. 2 sin theta. Right. Later I will write another formula according to necessity or situation. Okay, you come here. This 8 can be written as 2 into 4 into sin square x into cos square x. So that is equal to 1 minus 2 into, actually this product is 2 into sin x into cos x whole square, like that. So that is equal to 1 minus 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta. I said sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta means 2x whole square. So that is equal to 1 minus 2 into, it is nothing but sin square of 2x. Of means bracket. That bracket is angle. Okay, you come here. Actually, cos 2 theta formula, out of 3 formulae, I am writing one formula. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. It is what? Theta. It is what? 2 theta. Understand? So therefore it is supposed to be theta. So that is equal to cos 2 theta. So that is equal to cos 2 to the 4. 4x. Understand? It is completely angle. It is angle. It is angle. It is angle. 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 Just like that. Okay, this problem. So that is equal to LHS. It is the easy one. No confusion. So RHS, therefore RHS is equal to LHS. RHS equal to LHS. Right. This question is over. Next question. Question number 25. You come here. Question number 25. Understand? Next question 25. Question number 25. So we will take LHS value. You come here. It is very tough going through RHS. Understand? That's why first we are considering LHS. So our consideration should be started from cos 6x means LHS value. So LHS, LHS, you come here. So this can be easy method. Cos of 2, we can write cos of 2 3x, just like 2 into 3x. Okay, we can write 3 into 2. 2 into 3 equal to 6. 3 into 2 is also 6. I am telling that don't write cos of 3 into 2x. It is lengthy proof. Understand? So easy one. This is the easy method. Okay, right. It is in the form of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. Again, we are having 3 formulae. Cos sine formula, only sine formula, only cos formula. Which formula is suitable here? You tell me. 1 minute, one logic, you come here. RHS side is completely in terms of cos. That's why we are taking cos formula only. So therefore, what I am telling that cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. I am taking that formula. So therefore that is equal to 2 cos square cos square theta. Theta is 3x minus 1. So it can be written as 2 into cos 3x whole square minus 1. Tell me cos 3 theta formula. You come here. You come here. Cos 3 theta. Tell me cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta equal to 4 cos cubed theta minus 3 cos theta minus 3 cos theta. So therefore that is equal to 2 into bracket begin cos 3 theta 4 cos cubed theta minus 3 cos theta whole square minus 1. Okay, now we are following a minus b whole square formula. Shall I write here? Okay, you come here. So that is equal to 2 into bracket begin a minus b whole square formula. Tell me a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square, you come here. A square means 4 cos cubed x whole square. A square plus b square 3 cos x whole square. B square. Next step. Minus 2ab minus 2 a b. This is a, this is b. Minus 2ab. Barabar. Last minus 1. Understand? So this is step. So that is equal to 2 into bracket begin basic formula a into b whole to the power of n equal to a to the power of n into b to the power of n. Thus ab whole square equal to a square into b square. So a square means 4 square 16 into next cos cubed x whole square means that it is cos x whole to the power of 3 and whole square, just like that. Basic formula a to the power of m whole to the power of n equal to a to the power of m into n. Thus it is cos to the power of 3 to the 6. It is nothing but cos power 6, we can write it as 1 minute. It is not equal to cos of x to the power of 6. What I am telling that this is most important point. You come here. You come here. Sin to the power of n theta is equal to sin theta whole to the power of n, but not equal to sin of theta power n. This power is for angle in this statement or in this value, but this is different. Sin theta doesn't have any power angle. Sin theta whole power n. It can be sin sin spelling n on the head of n. We have to write its power. It is degree. It is the degree exponent. It is not degree of the function. Remember. Similarly, cos we can write for all functions. Tell me cos power n theta is equal to cos theta whole power n, but not equal to cos of theta power n. Similarly, we can write for tan cot secant to secant. Remember, this is the basic formula. Next, you come here. So, cos to the power of 6x. Next, same this formula. 3 square 9 into cos square x minus 2 4 is 8, 8 3 is 24. 24 cos cubed x into cos x. Actually, you come here. A to the power of m into a to the power of n equal to a to the power of visible. Okay. A to the power of m into a to the power of n equal to a to the power of m plus n. So, thus cos cubed x into cos x. So, cos cubed x into cos x, that is equal, is it visible? So it is cos x whole cubed into cos x whole power 1. Thus bases are same. Add the exponent cos x whole power 3 plus 1, that is equal to cos to the power of 4x. Thus the product can be cos to the power of 4x minus 1. Lastly minus 1. There is the bracket. Here is the bracket. Next it is the bracket. So that is equal to next 6 square root 4, right? 32 2 6 in the 32 cos to the power of 6x. Next 18 cos square x minus 48 cos to the power of x. Remember, for whole square only it is the bracket. Minus 1 separate term. Therefore minus 1 separate term. That's why end with the same bracket. So minus 1 separate term, end with the same bracket. So minus 1. So minus 1. You can verify that. 32 cos power 6x is there. Yes. Minus 48 cos to the power of 4 is there. Yes. Next 18 cos square is there. Yes. Next lastly minus 1 is there. Yes. So it is nothing but RHS. Therefore left hand side, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence the problem.